friends, Kristina here, and I'm so excited to share with you one of my all-time favorite recipes. Today we're going to be making fully raw vegan carrot cupcakes. These cupcakes are raw, vegan, gluten-free, oil-free, and filled with so much goodness. Some of you have been asking for some new dessert recipes lately, and this one is perfect. Not only is it raw and vegan and a healthier alternative to other carrot cake recipes out there, but also it is so much fun to make with your loved ones, and it's kid-friendly. This recipe is always a winner at parties or gatherings. I've been making this recipe for years, and I hope that you come to love it as much as I do. If you have my app or my book, then you'll see I have a carrot cake recipe where I make an actual large cake out of this recipe. But today we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna put a twist on it, and we're gonna make carrot cupcakes using that same recipe, and we're gonna add a little twist to it. These cupcakes are sweet, gooey, creamy, melt in your mouth, delicious. I've gone ahead and added this fully raw cupcake recipe into my recipe app for you. Those links are in the description below for you. My app is available on iTunes and Google Play, and there are more than 450 raw vegan recipes on my app waiting for you to enjoy. The initial download is free, and then after that you can choose between a monthly or a yearly subscription. You do not want to miss out on these delicious cupcakes, so go give my app a download and enjoy. For this recipe, you'll need a high-speed blender, a food processor, cupcake holders, cupcake fillers, a piping bag, and a spatula. I'm gonna be using my Vitamix blender and food processor attachment to make this recipe today. I'm completely obsessed, and I can't wait to show you more. I have to let you know that Vitamix is having their spring sale right now, and many items are $100 off or more. I've included a special link below for you where you can get free shipping on orders of $50 or more. Don't miss out, check it out. I've been using a Vitamix blender for more than a decade, and this machine has stood the test of time. If you're looking for the best of the best when it comes to blenders, Vitamix is the one that you want in your kitchen. And something that I've been so excited about as of recent is their new food processor attachment. You can remove the blender head from the base and simply add the food processor attachment on top. I have the A3500 base. It works with both attachments. So literally you can switch between making smoothies and food processing anything you want. This is a game changer. One base for two different functions. If you're looking for a special gift for Mother's Day or Father's Day, this blender is definitely the perfect gift. Vitamix now has a black stainless steel A3500 base available with a 48-ounce stainless steel container. So for those of you who like to make nice creams and have them come out nice and cold, you can now switch between using your blender head, a stainless steel container, and a food processor attachment. This is just so cool. I have the A3500 base in white and in black stainless steel. It's scratch resistant and stain resistant, and it has so many automatic functions that makes making recipes that much easier. I believe that some of the discs for the food processor attachment are also on sale right now. So if you're looking to get a new blender or a new food processor attachment, definitely check out the Vitamix sale linked below. And remember, if you use that link, you'll get free shipping on orders of $50 or more. I love my Vitamix, and I could not recommend it enough, and I hope this resource is helpful to those of you looking for it. Enjoy, my friends. So let's jump into making these delicious cupcakes. I can't wait to dive in and share this recipe with you. Let's get started. I'm so happy to show you how to make these delicious carrot cupcakes. We're first gonna make the carrot cupcake base, and you're going to need a food processor to do this. I'm gonna be using my Vitamix A3500 blender base with the new food processor attachment on top. This is a game changer because you can use the same base in your kitchen and simply swap out the top attachment. The base works with both the blender head and the food processor attachment, and we're gonna be using the blender head to be making the cashew icing right after this. You will also need some cupcake holders to make the base of these cupcakes, and some cupcake fillers. As you can see here, the cupcake fillers that I've chosen have a spring theme to them. I think they're so cute. The recipe that I'm sharing today will make anywhere from 6 to 12 cupcakes for you, depending on how large your cupcake bases are. If you don't want to make that many, simply half this recipe or even quarter it. When ready, go ahead and add into your food processor approximately 3 to 6 cups of carrot pulp. A zero waste tip here, I'm using the carrot pulp that was left over from making fresh carrot juice in my Nama J2 juicer. Many of you are always asking me what to do with your leftover pulp, especially carrot pulp, and this is a fantastic recipe that you can make using carrot pulp. Not only do you get to enjoy a glass of fresh carrot juice, but you get to take this carrot pulp and use it in a different way. One of the reasons why I recommend using the drier carrot pulp as opposed to just adding in fresh carrots is because carrots actually do have a lot of liquid in them, as you can see here. By using the carrot pulp, you keep the base of your cupcake a little drier, a little less wet, and it will have more of a drier, cakier consistency to it. I hope you love this zero waste tip, and if all you have are fresh carrots to add in here, no big deal. I hope that some of you love this no waste tip. Once you've added your carrot pulp into your food processor, you can go ahead and add in 3 to 4 cups of dried mulberries, 1 cup of raisins, approximately 1 to 2 cups of pitted dates. I like to start small and add a little bit more if necessary as I begin to pulse the mixture. 1 small thumb of ginger, and if you don't have fresh ginger, you can use half of a teaspoon of dried grated ginger. And this is optional, you can add in some freshly scraped vanilla bean. If you don't have a vanilla bean, you can simply add in a teaspoon of cinnamon. Pulse this mixture in your food processor until it takes on the texture or consistency that you desire. Look how cool this is. Did you know that you can make raw vegan carrot cake in a food processor with fresh ingredients? This blows my mind. Once you have your carrot cupcake base, go ahead and add your fillers into your cupcake holders. You can make as many cupcakes as you wish. That preference is up to you. With your hands, you can start pulling out a little bit of a time of carrot cupcake mix and rolling it in the palm of your hands and then adding it into the fillers. With your fingertips, go ahead and press this base into the fillers. One by one, you are creating the base of your cupcakes here. How much fun is this? This is such a great activity to share with your loved ones, especially children or even your friends at a party. These cupcakes are always a hit, trust me. Once you've got your cupcake base pressed into your fillers, you can go ahead and put the food processor attachment aside and grab your blender head because we are going to be making our cashew icing. You will need a strong blender to make this recipe because the cashews blend thick and you don't want to burn out the base of your blender. This is another reason why I like to use my Vitamix to make raw vegan desserts. When ready, go ahead and add into your blender approximately 3 cups of raw cashews. You can always add a little bit more later if needed, but let's start with 3 cups for now. 6 cups of raw coconut water, approximately 6 to 8 large pitted dates, the juice of 1 lemon or lime squeezed, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, the scrape of 1 vanilla bean, 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and optional 1 teaspoon of rose water if desired. Go ahead and blend this icing until it becomes completely smooth. Look at this. This is absolute perfection. And not only can you use this on cupcakes, you can use this for other desserts as well. I have several dessert recipes using this icing recipe in my FullyRaw recipe app for you, and that is linked below for you in the description. Once you've completely blended up your vanilla frosting, with a spatula, go ahead and start loading this into a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can simply use a Ziploc bag and cut off the corner. Once your piping bag is loaded, you can take your carrot cupcake bases and start decorating your cupcakes with the icing in any design that you wish. Icing my cupcakes is my absolute favorite part of making this dessert. I love, love, love swirling the icing on top. And if you want to add some sprinkles on top, you can always add some lemon or orange zest on top. It makes me so happy to share with you a dessert recipe that is raw vegan, cruelty-free, oil-free, nutritious, and delicious to celebrate for any occasion. These cupcakes are great for holidays, birthday parties, friends gatherings, or simply just fun family dinners. Once you've completed making your cupcakes, you can go ahead and dive right in. Take a big bite, share them with your loved ones. And don't worry if you can't enjoy them all at once. You can always stick these in your refrigerator and they will keep for approximately 1 week in a Tupperware container. How magical do these cupcakes look? I cannot think of a better way to enjoy the spring season than with these beautiful carrot cupcakes. I am so excited about these carrot cupcakes. They're always a favorite of mine to make this time of year, and I hope you give them a try. If these cupcakes look delicious to you, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button because there is only more deliciousness to come. If you're looking for the exact written ingredients for this recipe, you can find them on my FullyRaw Vegan recipe app, available on both iTunes and Google Play. And my app has more than 450 raw vegan recipes available to you on the app. The initial download is free, and then after that, you can choose between a monthly and a yearly subscription. Those links are below for you. And last but not least, please check out the Vitamix sales happening right now. I've included a special link below for you that will give you free shipping on orders of $50 or more. Don't miss out. This is an amazing sale. All right, my friends, I'm gonna go and enjoy another one of these delicious cupcakes, and I hope that you get to go and do the same. Sending you all my hugs and my love, and I'll see you soon.